Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Seen here at Colville Lotus, the new 2017 Lotus 380 Cup is a more powerful track-focused version of the 380 Sport and is limited to just 80 models worldwide. Here, I provide a spotlight on its optional valve-controlled titanium sports exhaust system. The first set of revs are with the valves closed, the second open. Notice the significant difference in depth and dynamics between the two. Thanks again to Colville Lotus. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.